So today we're going to take a look at my Hog Rider Furnace Ice Spirit deck, but replacing Ice Spirit with Fire Spirits for the people that don't have Ice Spirit yet. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Generally, one of the first things I take a look at if I have Furnace in my starting deck to see whether the Fire Spirits will actually make it to their tower. If they don't, I use Furnace as more of a defensive deck or as an add-on to my offense card. As you can see, that Furnace really bothers him. So that'll be interesting to see. He snuck in that little mini P.E.K.K.A there. Hoping I wouldn't see it. I almost didn't. And at this point I'm just going to throw either Musketeer or Ice Wizard. Didn't quite make it down in time to distract the Hog Rider, but that's alright. And here you can see where you can add in some extra Fire Spirits. He zapped them. That's alright though. But, you know, those additional Fire Spirits are great for either instantaneous defense or for a little added offense. They hit really hard, and if 3 of them make it to his tower, you can do some significant damage. Let's go ahead and throw this down to get a little extra push, extra damage. Should take care of his zap. See, that was perfect timing there. All 5 of those Fire Spirits made it back. Go ahead and get ready for this Sparky that's coming down. And you know, Fire Spirits are great as a distraction for Sparky also. At this point, 15 seconds left. Pretty much all we got to do is play defense, and it should be ours. And there you have it. So while we're here, let's go ahead and open up our crown chest too. Golem. You know, I have a good Golem deck, and I'll post that here in the next few days.